Back again with another video, guys. So in this video I'm going to show you how to code for a program which converts any binary number into the decimal number. Last time we did octal conversion into decimal conversion. In this video we're gonna be focusing mainly on how to convert a binary number like this into a decimal number. So what I'm gonna do for this program is I'm going to define a variable called binary. I'm gonna give it a list as I'm gonna define an input where the user is going to type the number. Okay, number. And once we have done that, what I'm gonna do next is going to define a total. Total equals 0. It's integer value 0 over here. And the next thing what I'm going to do is going to define a length function for my variable binary, and this is my char, which is my another variable for this, which tells me how many characters do I have. And the next thing what I'm going to do is I'm going to define a loop for I in range char. Okay, and the next thing you know, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to define a last element. Okay, last element equals binary dot pop. What I'm gonna do, I'll explain it later in this video itself, so wait for that. And the reason you'll be able to understand in just few minutes. So, and last element equals, it's a string value, remember, it's a string value since I have defined it over here. So what I'm gonna do, the last element equals 1, then what I'm gonna do, total, I'm gonna add total power 2 power raised to my I, which, okay, so there we go. I'm gonna print my decimal number as follows. Decimal number is curly braces total. I'm gonna print the total and we're good to go. Let me see if it's working or not. So if I'm gonna type like 100, let me see what happens. 21. This gives me 21. So how exactly it does that? It takes the number. For example, if I wanna go for this, okay, it's gonna be 9. So what it exactly does over here, I have defined my binary variable. I'm gonna input, user is going to type in any number, and total is the variable which I have set it to 0, and len is the number of characters that we have. For example, over here we have 1 2 3 4 characters. Okay, for I in range char, that is our 4. Okay, it's gonna, what it's gonna do, it's gonna give us the value as follows: 0 1 2 3, but not including 4. So 0 1 2 3 is gonna be the value of I. And the last thing, what I did over here is I have defined another variable called last element, set it equal to binary.pop. What's it's gonna do is take this number and it's gonna pop this one out of the string value, and the string value and the last element happens to be 1. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna increment my variable total, that is 2 power raised to I, and I'm gonna print the statement. That's how it exactly works. And the same concept which I'm gonna be using for converting octal numbers to the decimal in the upcoming videos as well. So I hope I made it clear this concept so far. And if you guys like this, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.